Hi, I'm Brian with Jones Indigo, and we're going to do one more tour of an Arcadia in this series of RV reviews. This is the Arcadia 293 SLRD, and this is the lightest one of the Arcadia family right now. This is another half-ton towable, which is new for 2023 model year. So if you don't want to go up to that big Super Duty truck, Keystone Arcadia's got you handled there, because this, I just looked, I think it was a little over 7,400 pounds dry weight. So again, I'll give you all the specifications at the end of this video, as the brochures aren't out yet as we're doing these videos. I'll make sure all the specifications are listed at the end of the video. So let's take a look inside this thing and show you what this thing's all about. Okay, like all the other Arcadias, you got the nice crisp white, clean looking interior. This is a rear den or rear living. You've got a nice booth type dinette with a removable table, so you can pick that up and take it outside if you don't need that. That will also fold down into a bed if you have guests. Nice theater seating right across from the TV, above the fireplace and a countertop here in the kitchen. With this being a smaller, lightweight rig, they've kind of incorporated that all into one, and they did a really good job of that, of giving you counter space as well as your entertainment area in one area, and kind of not interfering with each other. And as all the Keystone products, like they started last year, this also has the MERV air filters, or the Blade Pure air system, which is far more efficient. So with it being a lightweight, you're going to get a little bit smaller of a microwave. You still get the glass top, so you don't lose any counter space. A bank of drawers, as well as the cabinet under the sink, and this is a 50-50 split sink, stainless steel sink. As you can see, you've got inverted outlets with the solar system. So if you want to go off-grid, Keystone's got you covered. So at this point, I'm going to let Tina just kind of make her way up through and give you a visual of this. Pretty much the same features as the last floor plan, half-ton floor plan that we looked at. As she's panning around, if you see a yellow sticker on an outlet, that means it's an inverted outlet. So if you're off-grid, you still can plug in your phones, plug in your fans, CPAPs, and things like that. So you have a nice little pantry beside the refrigerator, which is full depth there, just like the refrigerator. So, you know, for a rig this size, and if you're a couple, I think you can get enough food in there. If you can't, then, well, I guess you'll have to come up with an alternative. So, nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator. And I believe these are all 12 volt, which seems to be the wave of the future in RVs now. So just like the last floor plan that we did in the Arcadia half-ton towable, you have the wardrobe in a slide, so that you get all that much more storage without impeding into your living area here, and you can still get around the bed. So we'll let you get just a real quick look at that, and we'll take a walk around the outside and just make this a quick video. Okay, on the outside, you've got hookups for outside television if you want to do that, as well as your power source, your outlet here. Your hot water tank, again, Keystone's going to on-demand hot water tanks, except for the Montanas. That's because the Montana owners didn't want it. Again, Keystone is very customer driven, and Montana owners we're a Montana owner, and I can tell you a lot of us Montana owners are very outspoken about what we want and what we don't want. So they did something a little bit different, but everything else is going to on-demand hot water, so you're not going to run out of that when you're camping. There's your furnace there. Let's see if this is open. It is. So a nice pass-through up front as well. Plenty of storage there, and again, the same as the last one. You've got a 30-pound LP on each side of the coach. I'll see if the front one's unlocked. Okay, that is. So you've got a little bit of storage up here for your spare tire, your battery. No battery in it right now. And also comes with a Gigi box so that all of your wiring is clean, neat, and all in one area. Your solar chargers up front here, easily accessible. So the engineers and the product managers think of everything here. And again, your second LP bottle on the other side. And your wet bay is in a separate bay. I kind of like that it's separate so that when you open that and you're pulling stuff in and out, pulling stuff in and out. None of that's in the way. And as you can see, your auto leveling controllers are in there separate as well. Very nice the way that they did that at Arcadia. So guys, there's another one from Arcadia, half-ton towable. And again, like I say at the end of these videos, be sure and watch to the very end for the specifications, #1. And if you're thinking about it and you've been thinking about getting out there in an RV, stop thinking about it. Just go. Thanks for watching this review, guys. We'll see you on the next one.